Today's English fairy tale that I'm going to say is the berry worm. Once upon a time, they used to live a small family of of a lady who had three children. She had two daughters and one boy. The two daughters used to help the mother, and the boy used to tease their sisters. One day when they used to make berry jams and berry juices and jams. One day when they were eating at night, they got one daughter got a worm in the berries jam. After that, the daughter didn't want to kill it, but the son tried to kill it. The daughter stopped it and took a leaf carefully and took the worm and thrown it outside in the bushes. After that, they ate all the berry jam as they were so tired by working. So the next day, as the berry jam was completed, the two daughters want to collect the berries in the forest. So they went to the berry farm. The two daughters were lost their way, but they were in the berries farm, which have very fresh berries. But they lost their way, so they were finding their way. After some time, when the sun is setting, a fairy had appeared and took them into the berries woods, so that they can spend the night there. And after that, they found a glass of milk and bread in their hands. Without knowing to them, they thought that the fairy did that. After that, they slept in the woods, and when they woke up, they saw a king. Then the king explained that the king was enchanted to a worm, and some that witch has cursed him, so that he was in a position of a worm. Then the daughter saved him, so that he was helpful in the night. And then the king took them into their house, and the king suddenly vanished. The two daughters explained the whole incident which had happened in the berries woods. The mother was happy as they were returned. Then their brother gave them two gifts that man gave to them. The brother was very sad to know that the berries king gave them, as he tried to kill it, so he didn't get it. This is our today's English fairy tale. Thank you.